Welcome back, children. So, in concentration camp, what happened? Her mother, her sister all passed away. I have told you, in the concentration camp, they really torture people, and the survivor, hardly anybody survives. So, out of this concentration camp, only her father came back, and that is the only blessing we have this book. The Diary of a Young Girl, also known as The Diary of Anne Frank, journal by Anne Frank, a Jewish teenager who chronicled her family's 2 years. Okay, 2 years they were in hiding place during 1942 to 44 in hiding during the German occupation of the Netherlands during World War II. And that is what we will be also reading from this book, the first page 48. Okay, we will soon have this page reading. All of you be ready with the textbook. The book was first published in 1947, 2 years after Anne's death in a concentration camp. Okay, they were actually hiding in a secret annex. From there, some people have betrayed, and that was the reason the entire family was taken to the concentration camp. And in the concentration camp, they were poorly nourished, they were treated very badly, there was no hygienic, and the life essentials were not provided, and therefore most people died. And in the concentration camp, this is what happened to this Annie also. But then this book was written when she was hiding inside, hiding in secret annex, her father's office, inside her father's office, one of the rooms. Okay, and later became a classic of war literature. Children, remember, A to Z, whatever she was writing has become a war literature, the literature which happened during the wartime, World War II. Few points let us look at. In 1933, Annie's family, her father Otto, her mother Edith, and her older sister Margot moved to Amsterdam for Germany following the rise of Adolf Hitler. Hitler is always called not King Hitler, Adolf Hitler. And Adamant Hitler, I would call him. It's really, see the motto behind the reasons why he was a Hitler. See, often we call people Hitler when we are frightened or when someone is threat to other people, right? And he is getting that title. It's because of his childhood treatment. Okay, children, there are, why we are like this is because of one or the other reasons that have happened and that are directing us from our subconscious mind. So always learn to forgive the little inconveniences that we face in our lifetime. A friend did not give you a pen or pencil, don't keep that grudge inside your heart. Why? Because the grudge deviates you from being good or being healthy or anything else other than bad. In 1940, the Netherlands was invaded by Germany, which began to enact various anti-Jewish measures. What is this anti-Jewish? Against Jewish people, the people who were following this Jewish religion. Okay, what were the measures taken? They were just grabbed, taken and imprisoned. One of which required Annie and her sister to enroll in all Jewish school the following year. See, whenever there is a problem, the German people, French people, there is a war, and then all of a sudden German people are occupying French, and then they will say, hereafter you need not study any French, you will have to study German. And the schools also will be teaching German. That was the problem in the olden days. When French occupies, again the states of German if the French is occupying those districts, they will immediately announce, hereafter you people will be talking only French and not German. See, this is the difficulty they all had in olden days. Thank God we really enjoy freedom. Freedom of language, freedom of religion, lot of freedoms we enjoy, which olden days they did not have. Okay, children? So let us be grateful and feel happy about it. In June 12, 1942, Annie received a red and white plaid diary for her 13th birthday. Her parents have gifted her this particular diary. At the age of 13th birthday, she is getting this particular diary. See, children, parents often gift us with many things. And then will one of those gifts become like this, a memorable one? So when we get or when we present, let us always think this particular gift should be useful to the person and to the society at large. Anyway, she was not dreaming that this diary, the parents might have thought it's going to be a useful one for the child, and then child also thought there was no other go, and she has written some notes in the diary, but then it has become a memorable one. The created history, you see. So let us be very keen in observing things and well planned in presenting things to friends. Characters from this story: Annie Frank, 13-year-old Jewish girl; Margot Frank, Annie's older sister, who first Annie's older sister passed away, died in a concentration camp, and then in few months Annie also dies. Both sisters died. And then Otto Frank, Annie's father, a businessman. He was left Germany after he has come out Hitler's rise to power, hoping to find refuge in Holland. He was searching for a safer place, and he never wanted to be there with a Hitler under his rule. So he went to Holland to establish himself. We have another character, Mrs. Frank. Who is this Mrs. Frank? Mrs. Frank is none other than Annie's mother. But in the course of time, we will come to know there were some clashes between mother and daughter, some misunderstandings, okay? And then Mr. Van Daan, a business partner of her friend, sorry, not her friend, her father's partner, and they were the people source of helping them at the time of difficulty. Then Mr. Keep Singh. Keep Singh, Annie's teacher, always scolded her because she was very naughty girl, it seems. She was a naughty girl in the class and she always disturbed others, and she got a lot of scoldings from this particular teacher. You enjoy teacher's scolding, right? Okay, now I want every one of you to take page number 48. Just open your page number 48. Yeah, let's read the introduction part of it. Before we get into the lesson, let us know. I have already given you enough and more introduction, but then let us read the page, because parents have expressed that we are not reading the books. Children are not reading the book. So I want you to read the book and do the exercises that I am going to give you today. You read along with me, or you can just mute me here, stop the video, and then you read for yourself. Okay, children? Yeah, Annie Frank, June 1929, February, March 1945, that is the age, was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while hiding with her family and friends in Amsterdam during German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. I will be skipping a few words, children, because my book got pasted. Okay, one or two words I must be missing. The family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power to Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended in the Netherlands. As persecution against the Jewish population increased, the family went in hiding in July 1942 in hiding rooms in her father's Otto Frank office building. Its building is really beautiful. I have already shown you the building. In the picture it is there, and you please without fail type it in the Chrome and you will be getting Google. Please go to Google search and type it. You will be getting a lot of information and then make use of that information. It's very interesting to know, and it will be useful also for you when you are writing your social. What happened in 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building? After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed. Betrayed means someone informed the police that these people were hiding in this particular office and they were taken to prison. Was transported to the concentration camp system where Annie died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister. Few days her sister passed away and then this girl also died. Margot Frank, her father Otto, the only survivor of the group. The entire family was taken, but only he came back from the concentration camp. Returned to Amsterdam after the war was ended to find that her diary had been saved. So he came back to the secret place where they were living, and then he found that book was lying on her table that was preserved by the family friends, and that came to his hand at that time when he came back from the concentration camp. Been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Annie Frank for her 13th birthday, as I have already mentioned, and I have also told you, whenever you give some gift to others, please be thoughtful, and when you receive the gift, make best of it. Chronicles and events of her life from 12 June 1942 until the final entry of August 1st, 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. There have also been several films, television and theatrical productions. See, whenever people wanted to highlight Hitler, and this diary also simultaneously was made use for some information. Work of mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazis occupation. Annie Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Time is running away. I just want you to check on page number 49. The book is explaining to you the difference between a journal, diary, log and memories. Okay, and you read read the definition that is being given to you, and then you have 4 questions. 4 extracts are given to you, the paragraph type, and then you just have to only mention whether that particular extract is a diary or a journal, or it belongs to which category, children. Thank you very much. You have the homework here. You please take care of that. Pre-reading test should be there in your classwork. Paragraph on King Hitler. In the first introduction, I have told you to write paragraph, and then paragraph from today's session. Have a good day. Thank you all.